Welcome to Digital Ashna. I'm Ashna. Today, I'll be showing you an animation that I've done. We're going to do a coding video today. Let me show you the animation that we're going to do today. We're going to be doing this animation, and today you can see three ballerinas. These three ballerinas will be dancing in this concert place. Okay, now let me show you how it's done. Go, Click on New tab. After going on New tab, click write scratch dot mit dot edu. Edu. Scratch mit dot edu. Click on Enter. Scratch Imagine Program Share. Click on Create right here. Hope you can see me. And am I audible? Oh, I am. Good. Now, click X on this. And now, you can see motion, looks, sounds, events, controls, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. First, you can see that you already have a character, which is also known as sprite. Here, our sprite is the cat. Simply go here. You see the cat. Now you can click on delete because our character is not the cat. Our character is three ballerinas. Now right here we can choose a sprite. Click on choose a sprite. And right here there's so many sprites. Here's the ballerina that we need. Click on the ballerina. There the ballerina is. You can move her wherever you want. I'll just put her in middle of the background, and right here you can click on change a background, and you can see so many backgrounds here. But you can scroll down and you can see this called concert. Click on concert. Now, after your backdrop is there, drag the ballerina to the place that you want. I want her to be in the front, where the lights are showing up for her to stay. Yes. Now what I'll simply do is code the ballerina to dance whenever I want her to dance. Right now, go go to events, get drag green flag is clicked into the workspace, the white area. Let me make it bigger for you. Sure. Now, now what you simply do is go to looks and drag switch costume to ballerina D, but change the ballerina D to ballerina A. After changing it to ballerina A, you could simply go to control. You see this forever block? Drag it down the switch costume to ballerina A block. After you drag that inside the forever loop, it's called as a loop. In the forever loop, you will be go. You can see. Wait 1 second. Place it inside the forever loop and change the 1 second to 1.0 seconds. 1.0 seconds. 1.0 seconds. After after 1.0 seconds, you you go to looks and see after switch costume to ballerina day, there is next costume. Drag it and place it on weight or even like this. Now after this code, we have one ballerina. Let's run the code and see what the ballerina does. Yes, she's dancing. But what about the sound? I'll show you how to select the song, select the song on Scratch. Now right here you can see the ballerina here. Do you see ballerina? Right click on it and you can see duplicate. This is the second ballerina, but she has the same code that the first ballerina had. There you can again duplicate her. After duplicating these three, you can put one here. After putting them in same different places, let's run the code and see what happens. They all are dancing like triplets. That's amazing. Lastly, we need the sounds. See code here, go costumes and sounds. Go to sounds. We have a sound here called pop, and this is the recording of the sound pop. You can play it right here. Yes, it has a pop sound. But right here, we don't need a pop sound. We need a song. Right here, you can see choose a sound. Click on choose a sound. After choosing a sound, go to search and type song. You can see Otis song. Now click on Otis song. And here is Otis song. Go to code and then see sound, go to sound. Get start sound. Don't get play sound Otis song until done. Because when you play sound Otis song until done on the top, what happens means the ballerina won't dance until the whole song is completed. It clearly says until done here. So select start down Otis song. Now let's go and run our project. Yay, we have completed the project. I'm very happy. I'm very happy that you guys have watched my video. Thanks. Please do try out this simple ballerina coding at home. S- Remember these blocks and remember scratch mit